Hey my babies, so today I'm going to be showing you how I make my deviled eggs. So the ingredients I'm going to be using is going to be 2 cartons of large white eggs. I'm going to be using cayenne pepper, any brand of your choice is okay. I'm going to be using sweet relish. I got 2 jars of that. I may not need it all, but it's better to have more than not enough. I'm going to be using parsley flakes. Also, I'm going to be using some Morton salt. And last but not least, I'm going to be using some real mayonnaise. If you like Miracle Whip, you can use Miracle Whip, but I honestly do not like Miracle Whip, so I use real mayonnaise. But whatever's your choice, you can use. So these are the ingredients. Simple, quick, at-home recipe. Now let's get into it. Okay, so I do have my 2 dozen of eggs in the pot on boil. So I'm going to add some salt into the pot. So when I'm peeling my eggs, the shells will come off easily. So I'm going to go ahead and let these eggs continue to boil. And when they're done, I'm going to take them out to peel them to proceed with the next step. Okay, so as you can see, my eggs are completely boiled. I peeled them. I cut them in half, as you can see here. I also put the yolk in this bowl because I'm going to use this for the stuffing that's going to go inside of the eggs. And today I'm going to be doing 3 egg trays. So let me go ahead and get started and show you how I make the mix that's going to go inside of the eggs. Okay, so I'm going to try my best to record this and show you how I mash up my egg yolk. This is pretty much how I do it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the finished look of how your yolk should look before you start adding any additional ingredients inside of this. Okay, so after you mash up all of your yolk, this is how it should look. I didn't use all of the yolk because I don't want my stuffing to be super thick. So I put some in a bowl right here just in case I need more. I can always add to it rather than my stuffing being too thick. So this is the yolk, and now I'm going to go ahead and start adding these ingredients. I'm going to start off adding some mayo and relish, and I'll go ahead and show you how that will look. I'm going to start off with 3 teaspoons. And I'm going to add some of the sweet relish in as well. Okay, so this is me mixing some of the sweet relish and the real mayonnaise. As you can see, my stuffing is starting to form. It's kind of loose, but I do have that extra egg yolk if needed to add inside the bowl. So to add some spice, I'm going to go ahead and add some of this cayenne pepper. And you can add as much or as little as you like, depending on how much spice you like. But my family, we from New Orleans, and we like our food Cajun, okay? Now let me go ahead and finish mixing this and getting my stuffing together, and then I'll come back and show you how that will look. So I'm going to add some more of this yolk on the side. I may have to add a little bit more mayonnaise or sweet relish, and when I taste it, I might add a little bit more cayenne, but I'll let you know in a moment. Okay, so this is my mix completely done. As you can see, it's not too loose, it's not too thick. And I'm going to go ahead and use this to begin to stuff the eggs. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and begin to stuff my eggs. I'm just going to be using a regular teaspoon. Okay, so here are the deviled eggs, fully stuffed. And here are all 3 trays completed. And I'm gonna top them off with some cayenne pepper and some parsley flakes for presentation so they can look really nice. And I'll go ahead and show you how that will look, which will be the finished product. So here is the finished results of the deviled eggs. Nice and pretty, and baby, guess what? They are delicious. These are great for any parties, get-togethers. Very quick and easy recipe to follow. So you should definitely attempt these if you never have before. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll definitely be back with more videos to come like this, with quick and easy recipes that you can cook at home for you and your family, or for any outings that you may have to bring a dish to. So I hope you enjoyed this. Until next time, my loves.